Hello, good afternoon. I remain Dr. Ibrahim Wada. This is a continuation of the part 1 on the use of Google Form to create online questionnaire, part 2. So, as usual, we have to ensure that our computer is connected to internet. You can see I'm connected to my internet. And the second step, as usual again, is to click on your browser. And here comes my own browser. And what I need to do is to go to gmail.com. I'm going to type gmail.com and press enter. My Gmail automatically logs me in. In your own case, you might need to log in fresh. I've logged in before and my username and password is saved in the browser, and that is why it automatically logs me in. So at the top right corner of the page, you look for this multiple dots and you click on it, and what you are looking for here is the form. In your own case, your form may be located far down among the various functions, among the various tools that are here, but my own, I drag it up here. You know, you can drag it left and right. Can you see? I decided to drag my own to the top. So all I need to do is to click it and the form loads. So I've created many questionnaires online, and this is the one that I started on part 1, and this is the part 2. So I'm going to click on it to enable me continue from where I stopped. And now if I scroll down, this is where I stopped. I'll just click on the last part, and you have two choices. You can duplicate this one and change it to match with the type of question that you are going to set, or you click on plus. I prefer to duplicate, and I'm going to delete the department because that's not what I want again. All I need to do is to go back to my questionnaire, and I'm on section B. At this section B, these are the scales, and this is just a statement description, but here is the question 1. So I have all these items, item 1 to 5, and I have the scale to my right. So this is exactly what I'm going to be showing you now. So all you need to do first is to copy this question, highlight and press Ctrl C to copy. Then you navigate back to your form. Then this position where you find question, click in it and press Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so after that, the next thing you need to do is to come here. This is this is where you select the kind of scale you want. You click on this short answer in front of it, scroll down until you find multiple choice grid. Just click on it. I have two things there, the rows and the columns. The rows here will help you put all these items one by one, and the columns here help you enables you to put your scale. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So the first thing is for me to click here and highlight this and copy by pressing Ctrl C, or right click and click on copy. I will go back to row and 1 and I delete, then press Ctrl V to paste. I will now click on add row. I will delete the row number 2, come back here and select the items on number 2. You can click here and press tab. Once you do that, you will be able to press Ctrl C to copy as a shortcut, and you come here, delete this one and press Ctrl V. Click again, it will give you row number 3. Click on this space on number 3 and press tab on your keyboard, and then you press Ctrl C or right click and click on copy. You can decide to type but I prefer to copy and paste. Since I already have my question down there, I'll click on this one, delete this, and I'll also copy the number 4. Take your time to copy. Then when you are deleting, be careful, so that if you are not careful, you may likely go and delete this number 1, because spacebar, once it finishes deleting any letter here, it can go to the upper one, so be careful. So I now go to the final one, which is number 5, and I right click and copy and navigate back here, click on the next row, delete what is there, and right click and paste. I'm done with excuse me, I'm done with all the 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All I need now to do is to enter here the scale. I can decide to type the full scale, like strongly agree. Here, once I click, to allow me to type agree. Once you click, it will also allow you to type disagree and strongly disagree. And then finally disagree. It's not correct. This is the correct spelling. And then here is strongly disagree. That is all. You don't need to do any other thing. So that is how you continue with the rest. In order for me to continue on the next question, this is the next question. All I need to do is to copy the title of the question and come here and click on duplicate, or click on this, whichever one you want. The other one you click on duplicate, but let me click on this one so that you can see. I'll click on this and you can see how it is highlighted. So in this place of where you find question, just paste your question 2 with the title, and then you begin to highlight item by item. You highlight this one and you copy the first item. Make sure immediately you come here, you go straight here, you click on this small arrow, go down and you select multiple choice, and on the row you paste, Ctrl V. I'll come here and highlight. Once you click on any of these places and you press tab key, it will automatically highlight what is there. I press Ctrl C to copy, and once I'm here, as I click, I'll just paste or delete and paste. Now I click here to press tab to highlight the whole text, and press Ctrl C to copy, and click here and you delete what's there and press Ctrl D. If you are not familiar with like clicking in this column and press tab to highlight, you can click inside of it and then press your shift down key and you begin to copy one after the other. Like you press your shift down and you press the right arrow key on your keyboard until you gradually copy whatever that is, highlight whatever that is, all the text. Then you right click and click on copy. Then you can move down here. I am using Alt tab to navigate left and right. You can decide to click and it will bring you here. I'll delete this one and I right click and paste. I will click here again and then click this column, this space, and press tab to enable me highlight all the text, and then press Ctrl C and to copy, navigate back, and then press Ctrl V to paste. You do the same thing here, because if you see, it says according to the owner, the scale is strongly agree, agree, disagree, and strongly agree. So you come here and type strongly agree. Here, once you click, it will highlight automatically. agree. And once you click the next one, it automatically show you disagree. And the last one, once you click, it will show you so that you can type disagree. So that's exactly what you need to do. So that is all about that. Now at this junction, I would like to stop here so that the video will not be too long. By the time I come back, I will continue on the section 3, the section 3 of the questionnaire that we are creating here, the online questionnaire that we're creating here. Please just click or hit the like button as usual so that you can encourage me to continue to produce this type of video. Thank you and God bless you until I come back again for the next section.